Class 10 students, this mistake can cost you full marks. Two students solved the same question and both got different answers. But in board exam, only one answer can be correct. This situation is called option collision. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you why this collision happens and how to avoid it forever. Look carefully. This solution uses a triangle applying Pythagorean theorem. It produces two answers, 4m and 1 over m. Something is already wrong here. Did you notice? Spot the error. The moment you get two different values for the same linear expression, please stop. A linear relation with one variable can never have two answers. That itself proves the method is wrong. And interestingly, this trap mostly catches fast problem solvers. When we try to solve quickly without checking the logic, you may lose full marks even after working hard. So, top performers and quick problem solvers, beware and be mindful of this trap. This logic saves you from silly mistakes and even if options look correct in board exams. So let me show you the real mistake. What has happened and why this has gone wrong. Why we got two solutions for one linear equation in one variable. See, the triangle method fixes the theta artificially. When we choose 3, 4, 5, we force the theta to become one particular angle. But the question never gave the theta value. So we cannot assume any angle for the theta. When you take 3, 4, 5 and apply Pythagorean theorem, it means we are choosing a right angle triangle. One angle is 90 and another 245. This is not fixed. They doesn't give any theta. So this is the root cause of option collision. So now let's explain to you a little more easily with the help of a linear equation analogy. Let's say x plus y equals 10. One solution is x equals 3 and y equals 7. But this is not the general solution. It can also be x equals 2 and y equals 8, x equals 1, y equals 9, and triangle method is doing exactly this. It has chosen only one possible theta. Board exam never wants one example, it wants a general solution. So next, what is the rule? What is the thumb rule? Remember this golden rule. If value of theta is given, use triangle. If expression is given, use identity only. So simple, so simple. So what about this problem? In this question, theta is not given, so we must use Pythagorean identity and not Pythagorean theorem. So what is the question? Now let's solve the question quickly. Secant theta plus tan theta equals m. It's been given. Secant theta plus tan theta equals m. Find secant theta minus tan theta is equal to what? See, when secant theta and tan theta are involved, what identity we should use? One identity is the clear identity. 1 plus tan square theta equals secant square theta. All of us know. So just transpose the trigonometric functions to one side. We have secant square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. You remember this algebraic identity, a square minus b square, that's equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Apply the same algebraic identity here. We have secant theta plus tan theta multiplied by secant theta minus tan theta equals 1. And we know secant theta plus tan theta is equal to m. We know this. Therefore, we have m multiplied by secant theta minus tan theta equals 1 or secant theta minus tan theta secant theta minus tan theta equals 1 over m is the answer. Now we'll see what is the general identity method and the triangle method. Do you have any specific cases? See, that simply says, just simply follow, na? Triangle method is basically not wrong. It's a correct mathematical application. And what has gone wrong is the wrong question interpretation. When theta value is not given, the student or whoever it is assumed the theta value to be of a right angle triangle and applied Pythagorean theorem. So if values of angle are given, we are free to use. We know whether it's a right triangle or any other thing. So when theta values are not given, use only identities. Like this is the key to identify that whether we should use that general identity method or a triangle method. So now let's see the fundamental difference. Now that we've discussed so much, you should know the pinpointed difference between Pythagorean theorem and Pythagorean identity. Pythagorean theorem belongs to geometry. It relates sides of a right triangle, whereas Pythagorean identity belongs to trigonometry. It relates functions of any angle. One is about shapes and the other is about angles. So, what is it? Smart students and quick problem solvers, avoid traps, not just solve fast, be cautious and ensure you avoid all such traps that comes in your way. And if this video helped you, share it with one friend who gets confused in trigonometry. Let's prepare smart and not hard. So